In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change case in Figma. Whether you're adjusting a headline or tweaking body text for your design project, knowing how to change text case in Figma can really enhance your workflow and make your design process more efficient. So let's dive into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Figma website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so by clicking on the login button. It's located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your projects. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage, which is the central hub for all your design files. From the homepage, locate and select the project you want to work on. This might be a recent design or something you're collaborating on with a team. Once you've opened your design file, you'll find yourself in the design view. This is where you can edit and adjust your design elements. Now let's focus on the text element that you want to modify. To start, click on the text you want to change the case for. This could be any text object you've created within your design. Upon selecting the text, you'll notice a series of options appear on the right sidebar. These are the design properties related to the text you've selected. Next, you need to find the typography section. It's nestled within the right-hand sidebar where all the text properties are listed. Clicking on typography will expand a range of options. Here you can adjust fonts, sizes, weights, and more, but our focus today is on changing the case. Scroll to find the typesetting option. This section allows you to customize the text settings even further. Click on typesetting to reveal the available adjustments you can make to your text. Moving further along, you'll see the case option appear. Click on case to access the case adjustment settings. Within the case settings, you have the flexibility to choose between different text cases. Typically, you'll see options for uppercase, lowercase, and title case. Select the one that suits your design requirements. For instance, if you're designing a logo, you might prefer uppercase for that bold, impactful look, whereas for subtitles or body text, title case might offer a nice balance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily change the text case in Figma to better suit your design needs. This simple yet powerful feature can help you maintain consistency and style across your design projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for your design process in Figma. See you in the next video.